We'll guide you through how to turn off voiceover on an iPhone when locked. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and currently you're going to hear that voiceover is enabled, and I want to go and turn it off. You can see my iPhone's locked, so I'm going to guide you through the steps from it being turned off to then going and turning it off. Make sure you watch this step by step so you know what to do. We're going to guide you through the gestures you need to make and what you need to do step by step to then go and find the setting as well. So make sure there's full guide so you know what to do. So to go and first get your phone screen on, press the side button. Now you want to go and drag up from the bottom like so. And now it's gone and revealed the passcode screen. So if you haven't got Face ID or it's not working, you need to go and enter in the passcode. So first of all, you need to go and start selecting the first number for your passcode. So for me, that's 1. We just come back here. So what you need to do is go and select that first number like this. You can see it selected, and then to actually get it inputted, double tap. You can then see it's then inputted there. So to go and get the next one, select it first of all, then double tap, and you can go and repeat that. Then I need to go and select 3, double tap, then I need to go and select 4, double tap. So that's now successfully gone and entered in my passcode and went out on my phone. Now, if you find you're not on the home page, to go and swipe, place 3 fingers on your screen and drag like so, and you can then navigate across your phone in case you are on the page you need to be. Like this. Now, of course, we need to go and find the settings app because that is where we can go and find the switch. So go and select settings like so. Then you want to go and double tap it and then go and open up. If you find you need to scroll when on your iPhone, once again, you use 3 fingers and you do it in the direction you're trying to scroll. So I'll go up or down. But what we're looking for is the option for accessibility. So what you need to do is go and tap there, select it. Then we can go and double tap it to go and get into it as we did to go and enter in the passcode. So go and double tap it like so. Then you need to go and find the option for voiceover. So you can see at the moment it's currently on. So what we need to do is go and turn it off, and then that'll go and turn off voiceover, and we can go and get our phone back to normal. So let's go and select it like so. Then you can go and double tap on it like this. We're now in here. And if you want to go and turn it off, what you then need to do is make sure you've got it selected. Mine already is. Then you can double tap. Now voiceover is off, and you can use your iPhone as normal. You don't need to first go and select it and then go and try and double tap it. So you can see it works as normal. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more guides like this in the future.